Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to search and replace string in Python using regular expression. How will you, just imagine this is a set of data or a set of paragraph in a Word document, let's say, and you would like to find and replace, find a word and replace with some other word. How that can be done in Python using regular expression we are going to see. Before we get started, I need your support. Please do support my channel guys by subscribing. So with that, let's get started. Let's say let's take some example. Okay, let's create a variable called text and let's use something called John is learning Python. Okay, John is learning Python is the sentence what I have. Now I would like to replace Python with the word the latest Python. I would like to replace this word Python with the word called the latest Python. How can I do it? So first thing, we need regular expression because we are learning regular expression. So I will say import re stands for regular expression. Hit on enter, and then I will create an object called x, and then I'm going to call the module re, and I'm going to use the sub function. Okay, remember the sub function is used to find, search and replace. So here what would I like to search? I would like to search Python, and these are case sensitive. Okay, so P is written in capital, so I'm writing in capital. If it is written in lower letter, write in lower letter. So Python, and then I would like to replace this, put a comma with the latest Python. I want to write something like this. Okay, the latest Python. Okay, now where I would like to replace in the text. So this is the format. Okay, take a note of this format. Alright, now here I would like to print x and see if the value has been printed to this object or not. Let's run it. So if I run it, what happened? The initial value of the text was John is learning Python. If you look at the output, John is learning the latest Python. Getting it? Okay, what if I am going to write Python once again? So in this word I will say just for testing purpose, okay, I'm saying Python, and one I am writing in lower letter, Python, or let me write all in similar way, then we will change it. So there are 3 Pythons now, so that means it is going to find all the 3 Python and going to replace that with the latest Python. So let's see, if I run this, if you see John is learning the latest Python, this is one word, then it found another word called Python, then that has been replaced with the latest Python, then it found another word called Python, and that is also replaced with the Python. So this is understood how it is working. Now if I make it this a small one, p is a lowercase, if I run this, what is happening? The last one Python has not been replaced, but the other 2 Pythons has been replaced with the latest Python, and this is also the latest Python. So this is it is taking as per the match. Okay, as per the match. There is also a way to not match it, doesn't matter uppercase lowercase, it should take it if the word is there. That is also can be done. I'm going to teach you that later, but again now you understand how this is working. Okay, after that let's say I would like to only replace so let's make it capital Python. If I run this, it is going to replace all the 3 times. Let's say I would like to replace only the first one, not the other 2 Python. So that can also be controlled by putting a comma and writing the counter. So if I write 1, if I run this, what is happening? The first one got replaced and the second 2 Python has been left as it is. You can see in the output. Now if I write 2, what would happen? It is going to replace the first 2 occurrences. So if you see the second occurrence, the first occurrence, the second occurrence has been replaced with the latest Python. Okay, likewise you can do 3 and run it. So it has, what would happen if I write 5? So you can see it is just, it is just doing up to 3 and the 2 words are not there, so it is not doing anything with that. So this much is understood, right? To search and replace, you will be using the function name sub, and the module is re, regular expression module dot sub, re dot sub if you write, and this is the format. If you know, that is good enough for you to understand how do you search and replace a text. These are all in simple format. Now there will be complex regular expressions which we will learn slowly, okay, one by one. So till now we have learned 4 different things. Okay, we have learned the search, we have learned find all, right? And then we have learned what is that, split we have learned, and this is the sub. So these are the 4 different functions we have learned till now. After that, I'm going to teach you little complex ones. There are a couple of syntaxes that I'm going to teach you after this. So this is the video for you to know how do you search and replace a string in a simple way. So thank you guys for watching it. We're going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care, and do not forget, I need your support. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.